Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange, this is Stranger Palooza, and I'm hanging out with my friend Walter of Dirtfoot Racing, and we are doing today, this is going to be like a part 2, we're doing a series of videos on this MB Cruiser behind us, so basically a Freightliner slash Sprinter van. Slash Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, that we are rehabbing, so we're trying to see, you know, we're going to do a whole series of videos on, is it cheaper to buy one used and then redo it yourself, right? We don't really have any idea of what we're calling this, but this is the second one. If you want to find out more, you want to see more videos on this, Walter of Dirtfoot Racing is also throwing up videos along with myself. So we're going to get into that today, if that makes any sense to you. Lola is over, look, Lola's over there with her arms crossed looking all mad because we refuse to, we don't listen to instructions.
Let me tell you, we're going to strip the insides out. That's what we're going to start doing. We're going to cut to the chase.
Yes, so we got a couple of things. We put it up on a lift, we're going to strip it out. Let's get all up in that right now. Hey guys, I just want to take a quick break here to show you all these t-shirts that we're selling, and here, I'll go to Lola's right here.
All right.
Lola, you be the supermodel for this.
I'll try my best.
So let's see if folks know what that says. Van Nosaur, that's what it is, Vanasaur.
Like connoisseur.
There you go. For anyone who's wondering, these are, if you want to support us, this is a great way to support us. We have these Vanasaur t-shirts, and you can actually buy them right here on the YouTube channel. Right. There's like a little thing going there. What is that?
It's a scroll on the bottom of each video, as well as if you go to the home page, there's a merch tab or merch store that you can click on.
Yep. And you can get these cool shirts and support us. We're going to do different designs. I think you have stickers and different things on
Currently,
in the store
these are available on the as stickers, on mugs, camp mugs, water bottles, I think hats.
Right, absolutely. So that's a great way to support the two of us. So if you want to support us, go there and check that out. And then one of the cool things about it that, you know, if you notice, there's no Stranger Palooza anywhere on it, so you don't have to advertise us, but you can support us, I think.
Agreed. And this first design is actually the Ford Transit camper van.
Yes. So that is once again, I'm going to use
this one
as the model. So yeah, that is a Ford Transit camper van, which is right there. That's ours that you see right behind us there, and then actually we've got some friends over there. So if you're a fan of the Ford Transit or just van life altogether, this is a cool shirt that you can get. It's kind of like a conversation starter because people are going to want to know, what does it say?
Exactly.
All right, and we're going to do more of them. Okay, so that's it. Thanks so much for listening. All right. Let's look under there. I don't know what those wires are right there.
Yeah, I don't know if those are the wires that are telling what's in the tanks.
So this is your black tank.
Yeah, that's the black one. So that's got the big old opening there.
Yeah. Which doesn't look too bad. Okay, so we took
the
van.
And we took it down.
Start over. So today.
Yeah, oh, sorry. We're
so first thing this morning,
First thing we did this morning, we took it down to safety auto. First thing we did this morning is we took it down to safety auto.
Maybe we should stop.
We don't quit. We do not quit. Again.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
Safety Harbor.
Okay, let me do this. All right, so the first thing we did this morning is we took the van down to Safety Harbor Automotive Repair, which is right around the corner from here. Thanks to Kyle and everyone else over there at the shop. They put it up on the lift, right, Walt?
Up and away.
How'd it look?
Clean, very clean. No major issues. I think we need a master cylinder for the brakes.
Okay.
There's no major oil leaks. It's only got just today it might have turned 60,000 miles. So
Yeah.
this thing is like new for
So tires and everything looked good.
yeah, everything,
Underneath there, it
brakes,
looked
everything.
good.
Yeah.
I think we saw some wires dangling.
Yeah, there's
That's
some
probably
little wires in the back.
sensor stuff.
But yeah, and we saw things we need to do, like bigger sway bar, new shocks, stuff like that. But
Yeah.
that'll all come.
But
so.
Surprisingly, very clean
Very clean
underneath.
underneath, yeah. No
you
rust.
You could see the coating that was done.
Oh, the original stuff. Yeah, it's not
yeah.
like covered with mud underneath or anything. So,
Right.
yeah, it's good.
This was built in Germany?
Yeah, German. That's a Mercedes. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was built there and then brought over
We're
here.
over here, then they put the old. They put the Freightliner on it.
Freightliner.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get a Mercedes grill for this?
I
Or
thought about it. You know.
Yeah,
But, you know.
one of the projects. So
Yeah.
so since the last time when we picked this up from Sunshine State RV, big shout out to those guys over there.
Yeah.
So since then, what have you done, Walt?
We took off all. We replaced the fiberglass bumper.
Yeah, see that? Look,
Sitting over there.
shiny bumper.
You want to see that? It's leaning against the building.
Yeah.
And we replaced that with the original one. Took off all the fender flares and step things that were falling apart. Got a nice clean look down the side now. This is the original thing that was on the front, breaking apart. All the mounting things were broken.
Spray. That was rattle can.
Yeah, it's all broken and janky. Yeah.
And what I noticed, this doesn't have a texture for the step right there,
No,
but that one does.
No, that's
that's cool.
So that was basically what we did on the outside so far.
Yeah. Back here under there, everything looks good.
No, I just cleaned that up a little bit with some soap and water inside.
Yeah.
But
Tow
yeah,
hitch is good, all of that, right?
Much cleaner look down the sides. No
Yeah.
more on the, and I got a free off-road lift by taking off the.
Right. It looks like that. Yeah. It does look cleaner. It does look cleaner like this.
Yeah,
so, what we're gonna do, because the last time this van almost killed me.
It wasn't the van. It was the dead lizard up on the top that got you.
Yeah, we're definitely not open. That we just need to take off and throw it.
No.
Yeah, we need to at least take the.
I can get a brand new piece of material for that.
Right. My throat is blocking up just thinking about it.
This is the awning you're referring to, right?
Yeah, that awning almost killed me. So what are we doing now?
We're going to start ripping this interior out. Well, not ripping. We're going to disassemble the interior. Yes.
Okay.
The very first thing we're going to disconnect the 12
Gently? Are we gently?
Well, with screwdriver.
Oh, screwdriver? Okay. Am I getting a power? I want a power screwdriver.
I'll give you a power screwdriver.
Okay. All right.
Under adult supervision.
Yeah. I will just supervise that.
First thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery that's still connected so we don't burn the thing down by accident.
Okay.
And aside from that, yeah, just take it apart.
Yeah, we're going to go through and take it apart, and then we'll report back to you guys in a second.
And
I don't know if Lola wants to give you guys a quick look. Here, I'll just give you, this is what it looks like now. Hold on, let me take a deep breath.
Watch out for those dead lizards.
You took your allergy tab this morning. I think you're gonna be okay.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Now,
what are you gonna do with these lightweights? You know, what are you gonna do?
Now, real quick, when you were looking underneath, when it was up on the lift, there was nothing surprising or nothing unusual.
It looks
nothing that you hadn't seen before. I know you work on vehicles.
It looks very
but...
late model the way how clean it is.
Okay.
And it's a 2004.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I got, like I said, it's probably just going to be ready to turn 60,000 miles.
Yeah.
But yeah, very clean underneath.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, I was surprised, really. There's very little rust under there. I saw a couple of screws coming through, probably from
when they
what these guys did.
Modifications, every place they put a screw, there's a little spot of rust. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna deal with all of that.
Yeah, right there and right
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll fix it all.
All right, let's get up in it.
All right. Demolition time.
Okay.
I was going to say something there, but I'm not going to break into anybody else's channel.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
All right, so I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. Check this out. This whole side's been stripped down, Will.
Yeah.
Yep.
All out.
Yep. You guys, in the time lapse I'm gonna put in there, you're not gonna see me because I'm moving so fast that you don't see me. It might look like it's Walter and Will and Lola, but yeah, this is all stripped out. And then there's some kind of moisture here, huh, Will?
Yeah, if you look at the plywood piece that they use on the roof, it's all got that black kind of
Yeah, I could see some. There's some mold inside of this insulation.
The black mold. Right.
The black colorization and the flakiness.
Yeah. So what? Come on in, Walt.
I think it's from King Tut's tomb.
King Tut's tomb. Say that 3 times fast.
Yeah. See how the insulation's all, and it's all. The insulation is all like it's got that stuff in it you don't want to be breathing a whole lot.
That's what we're smelling.
Yeah, so let's throw that out there.
Yeah.
Along with everything else, there was water damage, rotted stuff up in the shelves, and so at some point the roof was leaking. Well, it could have been coming from the AC unit, but we'll fix that. Yeah.
All right, Walt. So status update here. What's going on with the van? You ripped out everything on the passenger side, right?
Passenger side back to the bathroom area is out. Found some more places where the roof was leaking. Rotten wood, insulation with black, gooky, moldy looking. Dry mold right now, but still looks nasty. So
yeah.
So yeah, we've got to strip back to that point. I think now it's time for a little bit of lunch.
Absolutely.
And then we'll after lunch we'll keep working our way back, get into the bathroom. I
think I worked really hard here, Walt.
Oh yeah.
I think I deserve some food.
Can't you see all the sweat around here?
Yeah. I am sweating. I was telling everyone that if they can't see me, it's because I was moving so fast on the time lapse.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Whose butt do you see the most?
All right, let's keep it moving.
Right,
keep it.
Pile, pile, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go take a look at this. So all of this stuff. Are you gonna weigh this? Because
that was the idea. Yeah. To weigh
yeah. So what do you figure is this? This is a couple 100 pounds maybe?
Well, including that seat brace.
Oh, that's heavy, yeah.
But that seat brace is going back in, so.
Yeah, that's going to go back.
But we took out the 12-volt battery, all the wiring stuff over there. Yeah, we'll weigh it all. Yeah, to get a general idea. Then once we do more, this plate came from the bottom.
Yeah, that goes with
brace,
this.
The seat, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll weigh things, and then when we weigh things, when we put things back in, and yeah, we'll have a good idea how it all turns out.
All right, let's go do lunch. I'm with you. Check it out. Walt has ripped this whole... Walt, everything's down.
On this side, yes sir.
Yeah.
Right down to the pipes.
So what are you thinking here?
We're going to do some replumbing, reconfiguring of the facilities in the rear of the vehicle. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, we're hopefully going to get rid of this and condense it down into one vent pipe on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is gray water on this side. I don't know why you can't have gray water and your black water all in the same vent. I don't understand. Maybe I don't understand something about RVs, but
yeah,
we're going to try to get rid of this. And the generator's down there and it's staying. So, but we just had the idea of maybe putting the generator underneath. We have to
if there's room.
If there's room.
From what we saw, I don't know. There might be room. You're keeping this specific generator, or you want to get a new one?
It works.
Yeah.
It's an Onan 2500. It runs, puts out power.
Unless you want to put a quieter one.
Well, if I put it outside, it'll be quieter too.
That's true.
Because it won't be in this box.
Yeah.
Inside the cabin. So.
That's true.
We'll see.
Yeah, and it'll give you more room in here. But right now, just stepping back, it looks like you got some good room in here now.
Well, now we got...
On this side, until you put stuff back in.
Now we can actually measure and plot and plan.
Did that leak go to the back? Because
no,
whatever
I
was
leaking.
leaking?
Leak back here. It's just right in this area here. I have a feeling it's something to do with this guy.
Yeah.
We did have a window leak over there, but I don't think that would.
Yeah, we're gonna rip. Like, see how the insulation is blocked out in the bottom. Yeah, we're gonna rip that out. That's part of the smell. And then the carpet. Yes. When are we ripping this carpet out, Walt?
We can cut some of that carpet.
I hate this carpet.
I can tell.
Yeah, this carpet must burn.
We can take some of it out right now.
Yeah. This carpet has to go.
Pick up some of the tools and.
Okay.
And we can do a carpet exorcism if you like.
All right, I like the idea. I like it.
Yeah, so give me a second here.
All right, so check this out here, man. The flow is clean. The whole driver's side of this van is emptied out right now. Look, Walt is sweating.
It's muggy, it's warm.
I knew you were the right guy for this job, Walt. Good job.
Yes.
I'll keep you on. I'll keep you on.
Thank
I'll let
you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
You know.
Yes, I'm master. Thank you.
All right, so let's just catch everyone up to where we're at here.
Okay. Well, we took out the passenger side stuff, cabinets, everything, wiring, all the way down to the generator in the back, the sink in the back, and all that stuff. So now what's left to do that side.
Yeah, but it looks good and it smells better.
Well, just pulling out that carpet.
Yeah,
probably did a lot.
It's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. So
yeah, you're gonna, when it's all out, it'll be neutral again.
Yeah. So I'm guessing that's all for today, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's
okay. Cool. All right, let's wrap the video up. All right. So listen, we're gonna wrap it up today. Just to recap on the passenger side. Yeah, we got everything pulled out of there.
Everything's stripped out. Yep.
Yeah, just a couple of wires left in there. The generator.
We've still got to pull the actual internal paneling off.
Yeah. Okay.
But all the cabinets and sink and all that stuff is all gone. So
yeah.
And the carpet and all that. So
right. So then the next thing you're gonna do is work on the other side. I take it.
We'll strip the other side out, and then at that point I'll pull the paneling off. So it'll just be bare. Pull the insulation, probably strip all the wiring out, and then we'll start with a clean slate. Yeah, absolutely. Good job, Walt. Yeah, I think it's coming along. It's starting to look a lot better, smell a lot better in there. Man. You know what I need on mine? I gotta add to this thing. See those jacks on that big old RV? Oh yeah, the jacks, the leveling. Some of them leveling jacks. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna step up. It exists. Step my game up a little bit. It exists. It exists. I don't know how much you need it, but well, yeah, probably not much. But yeah, but you know, hey, I'm always the one to overdo it. Technology. Yes. Some technology. Yeah. So we'll come back and we'll get. Actually, probably by the next time I come back, you'll probably hit the other side anyway. Yeah, it won't take very long. Yeah. To get that done. If you guys want to see more of this in between what I'm doing, you want to go to Dirtfoot Racing on YouTube, and Walter will catch you up there. And then I am going to come back, and we're going to keep following along. I think now you can kind of like lay out a plan, right? Well, better, yes. Yes, because we've got it open, and then I think you're planning on doing some like 80-20 aluminum framing. We're going to do the 80-20 thing, and then, and just, there's going to be a floor pan revision in the back, a cool shower pan, stainless steel motif in the back. It's coming along. All right, so listen, make sure you subscribe here to the channel. Tell us what you think about this, if you've got ideas. I know you do have some parts, like you were saying, you've got some parts that came off the fenders on the outside. I don't know if they'll still be here, but you'll have to actually come down here and get them. Yeah, I've got the running boards and the back fender flares if somebody needs those. Yeah. If they're fixing one up. Yeah. Plus I have two of the stainless steel hubcaps too, and I'll make you a deal. Oh, there you go. I can ship those too, so yeah. We could probably use the money to put some stuff in here. So, and then make sure you check out Dirtfoot Racing, because you'll get more stuff going on there with this van, as well as Walter does mini bikes and some other cool stuff if you check the channel out there. Yes. Right? I did time lapse today also, and I'm going to be posting that up on Dirtfoot Racing. Yes. Too, so. Walter's time lapse looks really good, so you probably want to check that out. And it won't take very much time. Yes. Yeah. And if you have questions and stuff, Dirtfoot Racing on YouTube is a good place to go, because you could directly get in touch with Walter. And if you have some suggestions or ideas for this thing, let me know. Yeah. Because I'm open to suggestions. You know? Right. Absolutely. All right. So we're going to call it on this one. I hope you guys are enjoying this. See you back on like episode 3 of, you know, what are we calling this thing? We still don't know. The Budget B? The Budget Class B? The Budget Class Budget B. Budget B. It's coming along though. I'm excited to see where it goes from here. All right guys, we'll catch you on the next one. We're out.